come, my daddy will come, or I'll break my marriage, or I'll whatever. And you keep doing that. Simple, isn't it? Difficult. Not simple, huh? When you stand in that, it's not simple, let me tell you. But when you stand outside, that becomes simple. And that's why you need the right side. That's why in our culture, objectivity plays such an important role. Let me tell you, this I've got recently. What objectivity is. I've been practicing this for a long time, almost 8 years. Just last week or something I said, oh, this is objectivity. And everything about India is like this. Immediately to kuch samajh bhi nahi aata. You have to spend almost 50 years and on the deathbed you'll say, oh, Eureka, Eureka. But it's so deep. And I love it, let me tell you. And NLP just helps in that. You take any topic, any area, this works. Right? Now, always remember, the way I have my belief system, yes, the way I have my belief system, similarly, the other person out there also has his or her own belief system. And we say, nahi, uska belief system kya hai? Wrong hai. Kiska belief system right hai? Mera belief system. My belief system is right. Your belief system is wrong. Are you hearing me? And that's the biggest problem. Why does my brother doesn't understand? Simple सा बात है, छोड़ देने का ना प्रॉपर्टी. क्या है, थोड़ा लाख इधर उधर, क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है? लेकिन मैं कैसे छोड़ेगा यार? मेरा क्या, मैंने इतना मेहनत किया ना, मैंने कितना डाला है, कितना एफर्ट किया है. I cannot give it up. वो बॉस कैसा भी हो, I will fight tooth and nail. छोड़ेगा नहीं लेकिन बॉस को. अरे बाबा, लेकिन who's like this guy? He's saying I'll wipe out my brother-in-law. I said okay fine. ये ले glass. Okay? This is how I go about. Then people keep wondering what's happening. Then I said, and then you go to drink. But problem is, in the glass there's poison. Keep drinking and wish that your brother-in-law dies. Keep drinking the poison and wish that your brother-in-law dies. He says, you won't die. I said, exactly. With all that hatred, any which way you are dead. And you think, and he is growing, crores में जा रहा है वो, और इसका बेचारा जो घर था वो भी बिक गया. That's how it works. It's only a belief. मैं उसको खत्म कर डालूंगा. Boss, कितना भी सोचो, in the end there's only one person going to die. The person sitting in your chair. Are you getting it? And everything is about that. You got to be present. This is my world. This is my belief, and this is what I have created, and I create my world through my language, through my words. So only thing you got to get present to is, no, just get present to your words. As I tell you, I keep checking inside, why am I giving you all these examples? You know this? You can't see that, but I keep checking. Why do I give all these examples? Why not something else? Because if I give these examples, then there's something in my world also. Are you getting me? And you keep checking, so much so that it becomes a habit. It's not about, oh, there are two people and it's like a schizophrenia thing, no. But you will get present and you can change it. And the more you change it, slowly and steadily you will say, you are so empowered, you become so powerful that you start using only the good words, the powerful words. There's one good exercise, if anyone wants to do it. Every day take a piece of paper or take a book and every day write down positive points about yourself or that you want to be. But you write it in present tense. I am. Life is. Now it doesn't matter whether your life is good or bad. But likho acha. No, but this is not the truth. Yeah, but the other one is also not the truth. If you just sit there without anything, this is the best position you can be in. Yes, no? You might be expecting, oh God, थोड़ा AC और थोड़ा cool होना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे ये मतलब थोड़ा अलग जगह पे होता था, अच्छा ऑडिटोरियम होता था, बीच में हमको चाय वाय मिलता था. That's great to expect all that. But right now, can you change anything? No, you are sitting and you are listening to someone who's giving a lecture. You like it or you don't like it, but you are listening to that person. And that's the only reality. Now if you want to change this reality, what do you got to do? Huh?
Change it.
Change it how?
Imagine.
One thing imagine, and once you imagine, you take action. Just by imagining, nothing changes. And that's what is the flaw. Because people say, keep thinking positive, keep thinking. Law of secret work karta hai. I have another workshop called Awaken the Power Within, in which I write why the law of attraction doesn't work. Boss.
Something with the action, law of action.
Exactly. And then there is a core belief that we work on. And we actually get present to the core belief. Once we get present to the core belief, we can change anything. So I help people to get present to the core beliefs. And it transforms. There are simplistic ways about getting present to your core beliefs. But it has to be practiced. 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 So much that it starts working for you every moment. Then what you say becomes the reality. People come to me, Doctor, this is this guy. He's one good vice president of a particular company in a particular department, high post. He comes to me and this guy says, Doctor, for last 20 years I haven't spoken to my parents. For last 12 years I haven't even met them. Yeah, he's 47. And I haven't met my brother, I haven't met my sister, the only brother and sister that I have, for last 12 years or so. And I don't even know whether they are married. They are married, I know that, but I don't even know whom they got married to, whether how many children they are. I don't know anything. Zero. And he says, I am married, I have kids, and my in-laws stay 1 kilometer away from my parents' place at native place. And every time I go to the place 1 kilometer away, but I never meet my parents. And let me tell you, the same thing was happening to me when I was listening to that. Like, because I go through some emotions when they talk. I can be objective, but I cannot be so objective because I am human. And I was just wondering what's happening. 12 o'clock he came in, 2 o'clock till 2 o'clock we spoke. Spoke means he speaks for 1 hour and after that I speak. And when I speak, they don't speak. Because I don't let them speak. Now you listen to me, that's the whole thing. But then I told him what he wants. He says, I don't know, but then this is what I want to reach here. And the whole thing turned out to be, and in the end he said, Doctor, I want my parents back. I said, promise, today evening, everything will be fine. Guess what? 5 o'clock he calls me up. That's 3 hours, 20 years and 3 hours. He says, I spoke to my father, I spoke to my mother, I spoke to my uncle, I spoke to my auntie, I spoke to my grandmother. Grandfather is expired. And I didn't even know this. And I spoke to every person in my family. Doctor, this is amazing. Next morning, he takes a flight and he goes and meets his parents. Now it's been 2 months. Every day he speaks to his parents. Every day. He says, I missed on 20 years. Now I can't afford that. He says, my father is the same. Aaj bhi chillata hai. There's something changed. And guess why he was not going? Why he was not ready to go? When I told him all this, he says, I don't want to go and meet my father. 47-year-old. After he got ready to go to his father, he still says, I don't want to go to my father. Guess why? He said, my father will slap me. At the age of 47, saying, my daddy बहुत झापड़ मारेगा जोर से, तुम्हें को डर लगता है. I said, 47-year-old got a big kid and you're saying, yeah, I'm so scared. Whole thing changed.
What made you change? What was?
That's secret. No, that only happens in that space. I can't even say because that's the space that's why I say that 1 hour I speak. And that's only in that space. After that, I don't even know sometimes what I have spoken because, yeah, there are a lot of things. But I assure people, if there's a slightest inkling that you have to change your relationships, I say I'm good at it. I'm very good at it. Because I know, because in numerous cases,